Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Royal Matches in app failing to load, throwing an error that claims the problem is your end even though everything else in the app works fine? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and force close the Royal Match app completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. Then try opening the store again, since its stock session often clears on a fresh relaunch. After that, go to your settings app and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset your network connection. Since the store depends on a live connection to load current prices and offers, and that request can fail silently. Reopen Royal Match on that fresh connection and try more offers, and that request can fail silently. If it's still failing, go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data instead, since a specific network can sometimes block the store's connection even when the rest of the app goes fine. If the store still won't load, go ahead to your settings app again, go back and go to general, go to iPhone stores, find Royal Match and then tap on it and tap offload app. After offloading, go to the App Store and search for Royal Match. Tap on it and then tap reinstall or get fresh from the App Store to clear a corrupted store cache. So all you've got to do is force close and retry, reset your connection, try switching networks and offload and reinstall if it proceeds. The store loads now properly. Subscribe.